This is a big decision, judgment energy. At kapag ito ay isang desisyon 'no, alam mo yung person na 'to, 'pag gumagawa siya ng desisyon, hindi na babago, final na. Nothing can change this person's mind. What about this decision? It's a big decision with a judgment, okay? So, hindi lang siya yung energy ng paladesisyon, kundi talagang 'pag nagdesisyon, talagang solid na, yun na talaga yun 'no, hindi na mababago ever. We have here the Queen of Coins energy. This is the type of person right in here, very stable with his or her emotions, not being swayed. Okay? Let us see. What does this message has to do with your situation, guys? And who is this person here that you're dealing with? Very adamant siya. Very sigurado. Parang 'pag gumawa siya ng desisyon, yun na daw yun. Hindi na daw mababago. O tapos, sungit no read. Oh, kakaloka. Wala pa tayong nilalapag dito sa ating table 'no, pero nakarinig na tayo agad ng song 'no. Is it okay if I call you mine, just for a time? You know, yeah, it's an old song 'no, kung maaalala natin 'no, pero dun tayo mag-focus sa lyric 'no. Sana tama yung notes ko 'no, kasi, alam ko yung song na yun 'no, pero medyo mahina kasi 'no, tsaka super luma nun. So, yeah, ganun yung ating narinig 'no. Is it okay if I call you mine, just for a time, you know? Ba yan? Dami nagsisenti porket ba umuulan. This person is seeing you as the Empress, sweetheart. Ah. Okay, got it. Something to do with the wish, star energy. This person's overall top energy, high priestess. Someone keeping a secret, hiding it at all costs. Oh. Oy, mahirap talaga ito, ano, mahirap talaga ito, lalo na sa situation niya. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung di pa alam, pata other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para kayo mapunta there and araw-araw meron tayong in-upload the collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, wala tayo ditong time period. Pwedeng ito ay tapos na sa iba nangyayari na ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates sa inyo, guys. No, but definitely there's someone here who appears to be a friend. Okay, pwedeng friend mo, kakilala mo, someone here no na pwedeng close kayo. Just take how this resonates. Others, this could be your best friend right in here. Okay, the person hiding his or her own feelings for you. May gusto siya sa'yo at nakikita ka niya bilang empress, sweetheart. Okay, this person is viewing you as the empress, not a queen, not a king, not a not a knight, no, or not a page. Okay, this person right in here is seeing you as the empress, no. Nakikita natin dito na nilalagay ka niya sa top pedestal. Na meaning to say, this person's wish, no, is parang minamahal ka niya, gusto niya maging kayo, no, yun yung kanyang wish, pero tinatago niya lang yon, no. Bakit? Kasi with the Empress card energy, Two of Cups right in here, you guys, 'no, puwedeng meron na kayo ritong ibang gusto, puwedeng hindi pa kayo nung tao na yun pero may iba kang nagugustuhan. Iba naman puwedeng in relationship ka na, 'no, with someone dito, 'no, na nakikita ko na very comfortable na connection ito, 'no, at yung iba naman, 'no, puwedeng meron kayong ibang nagugustuhan, okey? So, may gano'ng klase ng energy. Pero iba ha, may asawa na kayo, may mga gano'ng klase ng energy. But your person loves you to the point that this person right in here is someone who sees you as the empress. That's why this friend of yours or this kakilala or this kaklose mo, Nine of Coins energy, stays single. Ayun yung rason. Because ang taong minamahal niya ay may mahal ng iba or nasa loob na ng isang very comfortable relationship and that woman or that man is none other than you. Okay, so definitely ikaw yung tinutukoy niya rito, 'no? But this person, 'no, with that very nakakayanig, 'no, na, "Is it okay if he or she will call you mine just for a time?" So meaning to say parang kahit na saglit lang, 'no, parang puwede ba daw na maging kanya kayo or maging kayo, gano'ng klase ng energy, 'no? Don't get it wrong, hindi niya ibig sabihin, 'no, na ikaw rito ay kumaliwa or kumanan, 'no, walang gano'n, 'no? Ito ay nasa kanyang wishful thinking. High priestess ang energy niya. So, sa kanyang fantasies, 'no, ito yung kanyang hiling. Okay? Subconsciously, 'no? So, ito yung kanyang one and only wish, 'no? So, yun yung kanya ritong parang, wish na parang alam niya, 'no, na hindi mabibigyan ng katuparan lalo na kung kayo ay kasal na, nasa loob kayo ng isang komportableng relationship. At yung iba sa inyo 'no, na meron kayong specific person na nagugustuhan 'no, pero hindi pa kayo ng person na yun, mataas ang chance na magiging kayo nun 'no. Kaya lumabas dito yung Four of Swords, very comfortable relationship, Two of Cups 'no. So definitely, meron kayo ritong success sa love 'no, habang ang isa rito 'no ay, naglulumbay-lumbayan 'no, sumasabay sa sente ng panahon. This is a friend, this is a close friend, or this is a best friend, or this is someone here na nakikita ko dito na palaging nandiyan for you, mabilis lapitan 'no, isang tawag lang andiyan agad, tutulong sa'yo rito 'no. And hindi mo lang siguro napapansin kasi parang dahil palagi siyang andiyan 'no, tumutulong, hindi mo 'to masyadong binibigyan ng meaning 'no, kasi nga palagi niyang ginagawa, nasanay ka na dun 'no. Parang 'pag may friend ka, siya yung agad na unang binabanggit mo kasi reliable siya and at the same time nakakuha ka ng full support sa kanya 'no. Pero hindi mo alam 'no, that the reason why this person here remains single or stays single, it is because the person he or she loves 'no, is not available 'no, in thoughts, in mind, and in heart. At ikaw yung tinutukoy niya rito because you love someone else, you like someone else, you are giving here your love, attention, and affection to someone else that you truly love, 'no? Kaya hindi siya dito nakikigulo, kaya nga sa loob ng fantasy niya, ikaw yung gusto niya. Okay, parang hanggang gano'n na lang. With this Three of Wands energy, I do see that this person right in here 'no, is someone rito 'no, na in the upcoming months 'no, maaaring siya ito maisip niya rito 'no, na medyo dumistansya ng konti sa'yo, Two of Swords energy, na 'wag palaging maging available para sa'yo 'no. Pero meron siya ritong agam-agam with the Nine of Swords energy. Eh, paano kung kailangan ako ni collective? Kailangan dapat nandodo'n ako, baka hindi laging available yung boyfriend, girlfriend, yung husband, yung wife niya or yung taong gusto niya or yung taong mahal niya, baka hindi yun available 'no. So parang, alam mo yun, parang hindi naman niya kailangan dapat i-concern yun pero kino-concern niya. 'Di ba? So, may gano'ng klase ng energy itong person na 'to because this person here loves you, looks up to you 'no, very highly. This person puts you in a high pedestal right in here 'no. Okay, you are the most important like a VIP, very special with this person right in here 'no. Pero ito yung plano niya, yung dumistansya ng konti sa'yo rito 'no, dahil mga babes 'no, nasasaktan din siya because you love someone else, 'yan 'no. Siyempre may feeling siya for you 'no, and siyempre tinatago niya lang ito 'no, lahat tinatago, malihim siya 'no, kaya kapagka kunwari kung mga magkakaibigan kayo nito, 'pag inaasar siya rito alam mo yun mga babes 'no, hindi siya masyadong nagre-react, hindi siya masyadong nagsasalita or nag-o-open about love life. It is because 'no, yung love life na yun 'no, is sa'yo lang nag-e-evolve 'no, and that is his or her big secret with the high priestess. Yan 'no, selyado yan, secret na yan 'no, pero na-booking natin dito. 'Di ba? Sealed. Okay, but this person right in here is someone na nakikita na for some reason, alam mo, puwedeng may favorite fruit ito 'no, kung hindi apple, possible papaya, kind of thing, okay. Or something to do with apple or papaya 'no. Yung iba puwedeng kabaliktaran, baka yun yung ayaw niya na prutas or less niyang kinakain 'no. So ewan ko ano, that's a weird sign, but just take how this resonates. Maybe that's a sign for a very specific viewer right now, but definitely just take only what resonates, okay? And yun nga 'no, this person will distance himself or herself pero mahirap dahil parang iniisip niya rito, paano 'pag kailangan mo siya? Gustong-gusto niya ritong tumulong, tumakbo, pumunta sa inyo 'no, 'yan, may gano'n siyang klase ng energy. Pero sa kabilang banda, hindi ko dapat gawin 'yun kasi hindi naman ako yung boyfriend or girlfriend, hindi naman ako yung, spouse, yung asawa, yung husband, yung wife. So, dapat hindi ako maging ganito and also kailangan ko rin itong gawin na pag-limit na 'to ng actions ko for collective para rin sa akin. But at the same time, because you are more important than this person, okay, nakikita niya na mas importante ka kaysa sa sarili niya, mahihirapan siyang gawin 'yan. Mahirap, kasi with the moon right in here, mahirap magpanggap na wala kang gusto sa isang person kung nagsusumigaw naman na gustong-gusto ka niya, 'di ba? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, definitely 101% this person here not just like you, but overflows with his emotions and feelings that he himself or herself cannot contain, 'di ba? So, ang hirap nitong i-bear for him or her 'no. So, ang hirap talaga rito na magpanggap 'no, na wala siyang feelings for you, gano'n na sobrang laki pala ng feelings niya for you. Definitely. So, whoever is this person here, puwedeng childhood friend mo siya, kaklase mo siya since, elementary, dating kapitbahay, na kapitbahay pa din ngayon, puwede. Someone that you know for such long years na, 'no? But for others, not that very long years talaga, 'no? But definitely you consider this person here as one of the support and one of the very reliable friend right in here, involved in your genuine circle of friends. Andun siya 'no, kabahagi siya nun 'no, but your friend fell in love with you, okay. But definitely alam mo nakuha natin dito yung energy ng possible na may itsura ka. Others of you do not know na may itsura kayo, but definitely yes, yun yung actually pinakauna niyang nakita sa'yo rito at mas lalo siyang na-inlove sa'yo rito nung nakilala niya rito yung ugali mo. So definitely 'no, this person right in here sees you as total package, taray! Parang brain with beauty plus character, personality, check, 'no? So, may itsura kayo, handsome, you're beautiful right in here, plus you've got the guts, 'no? All in one package, 'no? That's why this person right in here, 'no, hindi talaga nahirapan na ma-develop yung feelings dahil ito ay nakita natin ditong natural na na-develop, okay. So, I do feel like 'no, that with this person right in here, this person alam mo 'pag kinasal ka kung boyfriend, girlfriend mo pa lang ngayon yung person mo, 'pag kinasal ka doble yung sakit nito. Nandun siya, pero parang tinitingnan niya rito na kinakasal sa iba yung taong minamahal niya 'no, but you are just a friend, 'yan 'no. Friend lang yung tingin mo kasi sa kanya. At saka hindi rin naman niya ipinarating or ipaparating sa'yo 'yan, tago niya na lang 'yan forever with the High Priestess. Hmm, ililihim niya 'yan. High Priestess energy, tago niya 'yan hanggang sa baul, hanggang sa dulo rito, okey? So, may gano'n siyang klase ng energy. Yeah. So for the initials right in here, yes, we do have. Andito letter R. We also have here the letter M. Andito rin ang letter Q. For some reason, nakita natin yung BTS. Possible idol nyo yung BTS or there's something about BTS right in here na nakita ninyo online, something to do with news or whatsoever. Just take how this resonates, okay? May ganun na singit. Tuloy natin yung initials, andito rin ang letter T. We also have here Victory V. We also have here the letter J. And last but not the least, the letter E. So yeah, mga babes, no, this person wait, no. Okay. This person here is bearing it, no, all by himself or herself, no. Pero yun yung pinipili niya kasi. Okay? Yun yung pinipili niya eh. Yung desisyon niya rito eh, no? We cannot decide for this person here because this is something here, no, that's definitely, very difficult na nga for himself or herself, no, to love someone like you, no, but it looks like you love someone else. Okay? And for this person, ang pinaka-importante is your happiness. Kung saan ka masaya, dun siya. Even though it hurts him or her, even if it kills him or her, yeah, emotionally. Right? So these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Ang dami nagsasend, umuulan, no? So stay safe, everyone, no? Wherever you are, no? Sa world na nakikinig, nanonood ngayon. So thank you so much again, Miriana, Ani, and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarah ngayon, love and light. And you.